Today we will just join two triangles, right angle triangle and reverse of right angle triangle. So at the end our output should be in this format. Let me open my notepad. So it will be like star 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 star, 4 stars, 5 stars, 6 stars, 7 stars, 8 stars, 9, and end line 10. Okay, now here it should be like 9, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So it looks like an arrow, a direction arrow. So now for printing this, what we need and how we need to print. So let's divide this into two things. First, as we can see, the first one, it shows like right angle triangle. Interesting, right? So now here we can see it is showing reverse of right angle. Wow, it looks great. So let's start joining. So at the end it should be in this way. So how to write the program? So for writing the program, let's make our hands dirty first. Let's start with for loop int. So first right angle triangle, right, rows equal to 1, row less than or equal to 10, row plus plus. Okay, now we got row. How many rows we need? 10 rows. So in a loop we are iterating from first to 10. Let's start with column. Let's start column equal to row. Here it's giving error because we had not declared the type for column. So let's start it int column equal to row. Okay, now we got the column and we got the row. How to print? So what we need to do? Yeah, let's write one while loop, while column. So here we can see column equal to row, so it started from 1. So our column should be greater than 0. Now for printing the triangle, we are just writing as system.out.print. What we need to print here? Star. Yes, let's print star. Okay, let's execute this. What we got? Oh, we got all these stars, but it's not breaking. Why it's not breaking? Because column is always greater than 0. We didn't made it lesser than 0. So let's make it less than 0. Simply column minus minus. Done. Let's execute this. Wow, we got all these stars. No, we got all in single line. But what we need it in stars in a right angle way. Right? So how to do this? We need to break the lines. So after completion of this, let's make this one as system.out.println. So it's very simple difference. Print will print all the things in single line. We're coming to ln, it will start the new line. Let's execute this one. Wow, as we can see, we got the right angle triangle. So this is not our target. Then what's our target? Our target is, now we need to reverse the right angle triangle. How to reverse? It's very simple. Let's copy this one from entire for loop, paste here. let's start our row from 10, and row should be greater than or equal to 1 because we started our row from 10. Okay, minus minus. Let's execute this. It's got executed. Wow. But here we can see like we got two things here. While joining, we got 10 stars in two different lines. So how to reduce it? Interesting, right? So as we ended our row here 10, so here we will start our row from 9. Okay, execute. Okay, as we can see now there is only one line with 10, remaining all are 9. It's great, right? So let's make some other thing. Yeah, I just want to know from where I need to start without entering any number. How can I do that? Can we do that? Yes, we can do. Int reverse start equal to 0. I'm just starting with 0 stars. Now what I can do here, I will just do a simple thing. I will just assign it to here, and I'm just executing it. It will give you the, what it will give you, it will throw us the, did it throw an exception? No. Did it print anything? No, because row started from 0, row greater than or equal to 1, row minus minus. So row is never greater than 1. So it didn't print anything. What we can do now, instead of this, we can do reverse start equal to row. We are assigning the row equal to reverse start. So yeah, I will just make it as reverse start minus 1 because reverse ended at number 10. I just want to start it with 9. Okay. Here we had just entered. As we can see, here we, without declaring any number, we got the details like of what, how many stars we need to enter of the end of one triangle. Interesting, right? Yeah. Happy coding. In our next video, we will just see how to enter these stars, the count with the help of scanner in command prompt. Happy coding, guys. Bye bye. Please subscribe, like. Thank you.